Hey, all you crazy cats and kittens. It's Diamondback Dave, this old Jeep, whatever you want to call it. I'm here to do some work today, talking about gas cans and Scepter gas cans specifically. We're going to update the gasket and the flange in the lid. So if you ever come across a lid that has the centerpiece that's gone, or cracked or broken, that piece has a ridge on it that holds the gasket in place. Okay, now there's a company that makes these aluminum ones. So I bought a couple of them. We're going to see how well this works, how easy it is to swap out. Everything that I found says pretty much just come in here. And since I'm doing this one-handed, go ahead and put the lid on a little bit so it kind of creates a third hand. Screwdriver under, pop. That just pops right off. Then pop that guy out, put this guy in, the new Viton gaskets included with it. When you order, you got to specify that you're going to do it for gasoline, include the Viton gasket. Next one so it comes very nicely packaged. Got a little cloth bag. It's very, very nice. And again, this is the company. I have no affiliation, just a customer. And the gasket doesn't have any ridges on it or anything. It's not specific to which side it goes on. Smooth on both sides. The one that I pulled out has ridges in it, but it's probably more from the wear of being against the flange there and the flange up here, because this flange, they have ridges in them too. These gaskets that I had, they're Viton, so I think I'll save them. Like I said, this is real easy, even with just one hand. Put that guy on there. Handy dandy screwdriver. Pop. It might help if you say pop when it comes off. You see how that's all tore up? And what happens is sometimes these flanges, they'll get a crack in them too, and this flange is what seals. So that flange, if you get a crack right here, it's going to allow fuel vapor and fuel itself to go through, because this, so there's no gasket between this, the top, and the actual cap. just goes in there like that. The gasket goes around here. So if there's a crack in here, it just comes right out up the top there. So, like I said, doing this all single-handedly. Boom, it's in. Go fill them up and put a new mark on here with my tag. I always put a date and what kind of fuel I got. So I get ethanol-free fuel from a place called Buc-ee's, which is local here in Texas. And right now it's pretty cheap. It's actually cheaper now for the higher octane ethanol-free fuel than it was 2 months ago for just regular unleaded with the ethanol. So anyhow, have a good day. Everybody stay safe out there. Thanks for joining me.